Now, the trial, which was set to resume this morning, has been postponed. Now, for the latest, we cross to the North Gauteng High Court, where our reporter Griselda Lewis is standing by. Griselda, how are you?
A very good morning to you, Catherine. Hi.
Hi, Griselda. Just bring us up to date with the latest.
Well, it was a very brief sitting in court this morning, Catherine, and that Judge Thokozile Masipa had to postpone the case because one of the assessors apparently has taken ill, so they could not proceed with court. It has been postponed to the 7th of April, which is next week, Monday, when we assume the defense then will start with its case, start presenting its case. This certainly is an anticlimax to what we all expected this morning for Oscar Pistorius to take the stand. As we know, the state wrapped up its case last week, so this really does buy the defense a lot more time this weekend, of course, to prepare their client Oscar Pistorius, who we're expecting then to make known his, or rather give his version of events next week.
Now, Griselda, obviously the big question of today, Pistorius, is he going to take the stand? Have we any clarity on that, if he might be taking it on Monday?
Well, there's certainly no clarity on that, as we anticipated already that perhaps there might have been an application that would have been brought for Oscar Pistorius to take the stand at a much later stage. So really we need to get in touch with the lawyers at the moment to try and understand what the way forward is for the defense. But what we do know at this stage is that there will be an available assessor on the 7th of April, which is next week, Monday, when the case will then resume.
And could you just set the scene at the court for us? The media hype, is it quite big today?
Well, certainly when Oscar Pistorius left the court, all the media basically rushed outside. Oscar Pistorius has already left. As you can see towards my direction there, towards my right, the media is still waiting for some of the other family members to come from inside the court there. Certainly today, a lot of the media came here to get a shot of Oscar Pistorius, hoping that he was going to testify and give his version of events, but that hasn't happened. We're back at court again on the 7th of April on Monday.
Griselda, thank you so much for joining us and bringing us up to date with the latest. That was our reporter Griselda Lewis, who is outside the North Gauteng High Court.